Today we are diving into technology that changing the way we create, innovate and build the 3D printers. Whatever you have heard about it in school, watch it on social media. 3D printing is revolutionizing industries. So what is 3D printer? In simple term, it is a machine that creates three-dimensional projects from a digital file. Unlike traditional printing that work on paper, 3D printing build object layer by layer using materials like plastic, resin or even metal or concrete. Imagine printing a toy, a phone stand, semiconductor, even a model of your phone face, all from your desk. That's the power of 3D printing. Here's how it is work. First is start with a 3D model design on software of 360-degree view. Second, that model is insert into the printer. Third is the printer read this file and start printing one thin layer at a time until your subject is fully built. But it's not just for fun. 3D printing is being used in healthcare, in construction for building houses, and even in space by NASA. The possibilities are endless, but like any technology, there are challenges that speed, cost of material, and accuracy. However, as innovation continues, 3D printing is becoming faster, cheaper, and more accessible. So, is 3D printing the future? Absolutely. From classroom to factories, it's transforming how we create. If we talk about the application of 3D printing, there are first product development, reduce time and cost in product development cycle. Second is healthcare and medical. 3D printing can increase the efficiency of healthcare system. Third is education. We can understand better the engineering designing of the architecture by using 3D printers. Fourth is aerospace and automotive. Lightweight parts and components can be easily made by 3D printer. Complex customized tools can be made by 3D printer. Fifth is architecture and construction. We can print 3D printed building by using printer. Entire homes and small structures being printed using concrete by the help of 3D printer. Sixth is fashion and jewelry. Customized jewelry designation can be possible by using the 3D printer. 3D printed shoes, clothes and accessories can be made by using printer. Seventh is consumer product. Mobile parts, toys, household items, personalized gifts and decor can be made from 3D printer. It is revolutionizing the industry of robotics and electronics. We can make custom enclosures and drone parts. It can be help in robotics and electronics. I hope you found value in this video and thank you for your valuable time.